We finished questions 1 through 4, which were the forward direction. And in each of these questions, they had given us the rate in units per hour, and we had to convert it to the rate in milliliters per hour. So now questions 5 through 7, this is the backward direction, and they're actually going to give us the rate in mLs per hour, and we have to convert it to the rate in units per hour. So mathematically it really is backwards. Okay, number 5 says a solution of 1 liter of D5W with 20,000 units heparin is running at 80 mLs per hour. Calculate the units per hour infusing. So they give us the ml per hour rate and they want us to convert it to the units per hour rate. And my solution strength is 20,000 over 1 liter, or I can put over 1,000 mLs. And because they're giving us the rate in mLs per hour, I want to put that on the bottom so that it matches. And now I want to solve my proportion. So 20,000 times 80 divided by 1,000, and we get 1,600, and this is units per hour.